Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Centers right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, been here since 1981, and you probably know me as the van guy. We have a 2015 Roadtrek RS Adventurous, little four-seater with under 10,000 miles. It's under 7,000 miles. Let's just get inside and get going. Very nice, clean unit. Now this is a four-seater. These seats will configure into twin beds. You're going to have to get a little bed kit, and if you watch the video I'm going to do on the next RS, that comes with a bed kit and you'll be able to see it. Come on in here. So as in almost all the Roadtreks that we have, this rear area is a nice seating spot for up to 3 people in the back, 2 with shoulder restraints. Makes down into a twin bed, and then if you take the support board right here, put it in here, put these 2 cushions in, now you've converted it into a king-size bed. Plenty of room. In the back here we have a TV for evening entertainment, and it'll also swing around, face the front, so you can turn your chairs, captain's chairs around, be able to watch it. It has a DVD player. Up in this cabinet, it's stuck a little. So you've got a speaker control system here where you can turn on the rear speakers, and instead of just using the ones up front. Nice big storage here in the back. Here's all your owner's information. Little box that the Nav System came in, and I'll show you where that mounts up in the glove box. Happy Camper. They used Happy Camper. We sell that at our parts department down at the travel center, and it's good for the gray tank and the black tank to help take that musty smell away. You need it for the gray tank because all your sink's going to go down there and it's going to have food particles, so you need to treat both tanks. Lights are all LED. Swinging down through the kitchen area for storage. And then there's your solar panel control. And there's some breaker switches here, circuit breakers and fuses here. So your fuses are inside, your circuit breakers are over behind this door. Closet. It's got a nice closet with another tight latch. 2 table legs. You got a big table that I put in the back for back here, and there's another table up front. Bring all your clothes out, hanging space. Kitchen. Nice granite countertops. Full extension on roller guides. It has a lot of room for all your cooking needs. 2 burner recessed. You got your igniter here and your controls. Recessed sink. This one's been winterized. That's what the pink juice is. Faucet comes up. And again, nice work counter surface. Nope, that one's stuck. Plenty of room for your silverware, cooking utensils. This is access to your hot water tank. Upgraded seats, hollow seats. These all spin around. Got a little storage area up here. There's your little Roadtrek owner's bag that comes with every unit. Got some more speakers up here for surround sound. And your control panel, inverter switches here, battery disconnect switch, hot water igniter, and of course all your tank capacities here. This has an underhood generator, so it doesn't have a propane generator. It just runs off your engine. It's very quiet and efficient compared to a propane generator. Let's go take a look outside. Sprinter chassis have a nice entry door. These have got a very nice running board, and you also have a power switch to run this in and out. It's turned off right now. cup holders. You got a cup holder down here, one up on top, and two more down here, so you got plenty of places to put your beverage, coffee, or a bottle of water. Seats turn around very easy. When you're sitting in this seat, they have a control for down or up, so you can raise it up or down to fit your needs. And then this little knob right here actually rolls the front part of the seat down, so if it's sticking up too high and you want to have your feet touch the floorboards, you can roll it down a little bit. I mentioned the Nav System. The little box is inserted right here, and that's what powers your Mercedes-powered Nav System and sound system up front. And it's even got a spot where whoever's in shotgun can actually dial a number right there in the keypad. Nice full-length power awning. Got Alcoas, which are a big upgrade. Of course, dually tires. It's on a 1-ton chassis. It's got about 2,600 pounds of carry capacity with this chassis and the dualies. If you run your awning out, you can stick the arms in through here. Here's your storage area. Some little leftover from the previous owner. Power cable and some testing equipment. This down here, whoops, another nice little storage area. And seeing this in the back, the table's on the other brand new one, not on this one. Your big inverters right here, control panels up front. So if you want to turn your battery power into AC, this inverter changes it over and it'll run your air conditioner and or your convection microwave. Hitch in the back, tows up to 5,000 pounds, and it also already has the wiring taken care of. Backup camera is right up here. You got a nice field of view. Outdoor shower, hot and cold water. Furnace intake and exhaust. Hot water heaters, direct spark ignition. And these compartments down below, spare tire, 110 hookup. Yeah, I know it's a long ways down there, but you're not going to change the spare anyway. You're going to call roadside assistance, have them come out, take the tire out, and change it. So here's your macerator hose right here. This is your black and gray tank, and this is a little plunger. If your impeller on your macerator has something that you shouldn't have put in the toilet that stops it, you can kind of bump it and get it going again. Right here is your water hookup for city. Propane tank fill, on and off valve, and there's the business end of your macerator. Behind door number 1, we have door number 2, which is where you fill up your diesel. That way nobody can fool around with it. Of course, it has power windows, tilt, cruise control, and it's tilt and telescoping, so you can get that nice adjustment. And with your power mirrors, you'll be able to switch drivers and have it really enjoyable. This little red button, that's to turn on the macerator. It's only about 60 to 90 seconds to empty your tanks, so your visit there is going to be really short. I know you've just got a lot of questions. Call the van guy direct. Call me at 541-554-9581, or my email's on the screen. Appreciate your time and have a good day.